Hello, my name is Cheyenne Carroll, and I am the Public Relations Coordinator here at Buckeye Career Center. Today's video is to explain to you how you can access our December 10th open house, which will be held virtually this year. So I'm going to walk you through how to get to our website and how you will actually get to those links to meet with our instructors. Typically, we love to have an open house in the fall and invite everyone in to tour our labs and tour our building, but obviously this year we are unable to do that, but we are still giving you that option and you can do it virtually. So to do that, you will first, I'm going to actually screen share with you and show you. Okay, so you should be seeing my Google screen. So I'm going to open up my browser here, which I have done, and I'm going to type in www.buckeyecareercenter.org. Once there, you're going to see a green banner here at the top of the screen. You'll want to click on the bottom line, which says click here to visit the virtual open house page. Once you click on that page, you'll see the heading and a little bit of information there, which may look slightly different by the time we get to the actual open house, as we'll be adding some more information to this page. Next, you'll see a list of all of our programs. You can see every program is listed in alphabetical order with the instructor name beside it and a button that says click here. Now, I know some people are not as familiar with Zoom and video platforms, but it's super easy for you because when you do the click here button, you actually don't need to have Zoom or any other video platform. You should be using a cell phone though, or a laptop, any type of device that does have audio and video capabilities, or at least audio capabilities. So if we click on Ag and Diesel, again, the click here button, that will open up this tab. So you're going to want to open Zoom meetings. And again, you do not need a Zoom account. Now, it's not going to let me do this because I am currently in a Zoom meeting to record this video for you, but that will allow you to enter your meeting. So now I'm going to come back to my website. So at 5:30, you can enter any one of these sessions that you would like. So say you want to go to business and marketing at 5:30. You can click into that session and our instructor will be there to speak with you and talk to you and possibly other students about the business marketing program. Now at 5:45, another session will begin for business marketing and also all of the other programs as well. So we do ask that you wait until the 15-minute mark to enter those sessions. Now, if you do have time and you maybe have a question about your academics or how credits will transfer, if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you'll see additional options. So you can go to administration and speak to one of our assistant principals if you have a question for one of them. We will have an application questions and marketing Zoom meeting as well. So if you're stuck on a certain spot on the application, you can ask Mrs. Bieber about that. And the bottom three are with our guidance counselors. So we do have three guidance counselors, Mrs. Kay Wise, Mr. Ken Stalker, and Mrs. Jennifer Robinson. And you can see all of the schools that they each represent. So if you are a student from Kennesaw Valley Schools, you're going to speak with Mr. Stalker if you have a question regarding guidance. If you are a student from Highland, you'll speak with Mrs. Robinson. So make sure you go to the right one. These additional options will be open sessions throughout the entire evening, whereas the programs, again, will be open every 15 minutes, and you will be put in a waiting room. Our instructor will allow you to enter from the waiting room when they are ready to speak with you. If you have any questions regarding Buckeye Career Center, please do not hesitate to give us a call, 330-339-2288. You can find more information about all of our programs and the open house on our website, which again is buckeyecareercenter.org. Our open house is December 10th. It is a virtual open house from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. And our application window has now opened, so you can apply online, and we will add that to our open house page as well. So if you'd like to apply that night for a program, you can do that too.